Are you a Canadian registered nurse dreaming of expanding your career to the United States? The TN visa could be your pathway to new opportunities. Let's walk through the steps to make this dream a reality. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Canadian citizenship. You must be a citizen of Canada. Registered nurse status. Hold a valid registered nurse RN license. Educational credentials. Possess a nursing degree from an accredited institution. English proficiency. Demonstrate fluency in English. If English wasn't the language taught in your nursing program, you may need to take an English proficiency test. Next, pass the National Council Licensure Examination for Registered Nurses, NCLEX-RN. This exam assesses your readiness to practice nursing in the U.S. After passing the NCLEX-RN, obtain a VisaScreen or Visa for Nurses certificate. This certification verifies your credentials and English proficiency. Authorized organizations include Commission on Graduates of Foreign Nursing Schools, CGFNS. They offer the VisaScreen Certificate for a fee of $740. Joseph Silney and Associates, Inc., JSA. They provide the Visa for Nurses Certificate for healthcare workers at $600. With your VisaScreen certificate in hand, gather the following documents: proof of Canadian citizenship, your valid passport. Employment offer, a letter from a U.S. employer detailing your job offer. Professional credentials, your nursing degree and RN license. Present these documents to a CBP officer at a designated U.S. port of entry or pre-clearance station. If approved, you'll be admitted under TN status for up to 3 years, with the possibility of renewal. Embarking on this journey requires preparation and dedication, but the reward is a fulfilling nursing career in the United States. Start your TN visa process today and take the next step in your professional journey. For more information, visit IntelliStaffMedical.com or contact a recruiter to begin your application.